Have you ever wondered about the science behind decision-making in games? Well, you're in luck, because today we're diving into some interesting facts about game theory. Game theory is a branch of mathematics that studies strategic decision-making. It was developed in the mid-20th century by mathematicians John von Neumann and Oscar Morgenstern. One of the most famous applications of game theory is the prisoner's dilemma. In the prisoner's dilemma, two criminals are arrested and offered different deals by the police. The players must decide whether to cooperate or betray each other, with different outcomes for each decision. Another fascinating concept in game theory is the concept of a Nash equilibrium. A Nash equilibrium occurs when each player's strategy is the best response to the other player's strategy. Game theory can also be applied to real-world scenarios, such as economics, politics, and even evolutionary biology. Did you know that game theory played a role in the Cold War arms race between the United States and the Soviet Union? In game theory, there are different types of games, such as cooperative games and non-cooperative games. Strategic decision-making using mathematical and analytical tools. John Nash, the Nobel Prize-winning mathematician portrayed in A Beautiful Mind, made key contributions to game theory like the Nash equilibrium. Game theory has been applied to fields as diverse as philosophy, biology, political science, and economics to study optimal decision-making. The prisoner's dilemma is one of the most well-known theoretical game theory scenarios. It shows why two completely rational individuals might not cooperate. Evolutionary game theory uses Darwinian principles to predict how behavior evolves over time during strategic interactions. It combines game theory and evolutionary biology. The Nash equilibrium occurs when each player chooses the optimal strategy where no player has an incentive to deviate given the other player's strategies. Game theory helped model strategies during the Cold War nuclear arms race between the US and USSR to try to preserve deterrence and avoid catastrophic miscalculations. Businesses leverage game theory for pricing strategies, negotiating tactics, and analyzing competitive dynamics in economic markets. Auction theory is a branch of game theory that looks at how auctions can optimize revenue based on factors like bidding rules and participant behaviors. Cognitive limitations and biases of real humans can lead to deviations from theoretical game theory predictions which assume perfect rationality.